In today's guide, I am going to walk you through the absolute easiest way to recover your Steam account if you have found yourself locked out and forgotten your password. We have all been there. You go to launch your favorite game after a long break, and suddenly the login screen feels like a brick wall because the password you thought you knew simply isn't working. Don't worry, because Steam has a very robust recovery system that can get you back into your library in just a few minutes, even if you don't remember any of your old login credentials besides your email or phone number. This process is essential for keeping your account secure while ensuring you never lose access to your purchased games and community profile. Before we dive into the step-by-step process of resetting that password, if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 tech guides and gaming tutorials. Your support helps us create more content just like this to help the community. To get started, you need to open your browser or the Steam desktop client to reach the main login interface. Once the login window is open, you will see the fields for your account name and password, but since we are stuck, we want to look right below those boxes. You will see a blue link that says, "Help, I can't sign in." Go ahead and click on that link to be redirected to the official Steam account recovery page. This page is the hub for all support issues related to account access. On the recovery menu, you will be presented with a few different options depending on your specific problem. For this tutorial, we are focusing on the most common issue, so go ahead and select the first option, which is titled "I forgot my Steam account name or password." This will take you to a search screen where Steam needs to identify which account actually belongs to you. In the search box provided, you can enter either the email address you originally used to sign up for the account or the phone number if you had previously linked one to your profile. If you cannot remember either, you can even try entering your account name. Once you have typed that in and passed any BIT verification check that might appear, click the search button. Steam will then locate your account and ask you how you would like to receive a verification code. Most people will choose to have a code sent to their registered email address. Select the email option and then log into your email provider in a separate tab. You should see a message from Steam support almost immediately containing a unique 6-digit verification code. This code is what proves you are the rightful owner of the account. Copy that code carefully and return to the Steam recovery page. Paste the verification code into the input field and click Continue. If the code is correct, Steam will now grant you the ability to change your security credentials. You will see a screen that asks you to create a new password. When choosing a new password in 2026, it is highly recommended to use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to ensure your account remains safe from hackers. Avoid using common words or birthdays that might be easy to guess. Type your new password into the first box and then type it again in the second box to confirm there are no typos. Once you are satisfied with your new choice, click the Change Password button. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your account has been updated successfully. Now, do not just close the window yet. You need to verify that everything is working. Close the recovery page and head back to the main Steam login screen. Type in your account name and then enter the brand new password you just created. Click sign in and you should be taken directly to your Steam dashboard or game library without any issues. It is a good idea at this point to check your account settings and maybe even set up Steam Guard mobile authentication if you haven't already, as this adds an extra layer of security so you don't have to go through the recovery process as often in the future. Now, you are fully back in control of your account and ready to get back into your games. If this video helped you get back into your Valve account today, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides. We are constantly updating our tutorials to make sure they are relevant for the current year and the latest software versions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.